With the Microsoft Teams mobile app, you can have one-on-one or group chats on the go. To start a new chat, tap Chat, and then tap the New Chat icon. Add who you want to talk to, type a message, and tap Send. To give the group chat a name, tap the top of it, and then tap Group Chat Name. Type one in, and tap Save. A name makes it easier to find a group chat later. To respond to a specific message, tap and hold it, and then tap Reply. Type a response, and tap Send. Made a typo? Tap and hold the message, and then choose Edit Message. Fix the typo, and tap Done. Share GIFs in the chat. Tap Emoji next to where you type your message, and then tap GIFs. Choose one or search the GIF library, and then tap Send. You can also receive GIFs and even add reactions to messages. Tap and hold the message, and then choose a reaction. And if you need to mute your chat, tap the top of it. Turn on Mute Chat, and it's muted until you're ready to get notifications again.